So we are listening to the body, and we are listening to our pelvis, our yoni, our vagina, the lower belly, and we are listening to the connection between the body and the earth. There is a force, the gravity force, that allows us to rest on that earth. We are connecting to these 3 points of focusing: the sensations of my body, my breathing, and the connection to the earth. Just as it is. And we are ready now to go deeper into listening to the frequency of passion, the frequency of creativity. So we are just putting those words in a very soft, gentle way, like it is caressing us. Those words are dancing in my body, my passion, my creativity. And I'm just listening. Is it a soft caress? Does it open me? Or am I frozen in front of it? I'm just listening to the reaction to those 2 frequencies, passion and creativity. And I invite you now to choose one part in the body that reacts the most to those 2 words. I invite you to choose one part of the body and to focus your breathing in that part. Inhale and exhale. When I focus my intention on one part of the body, it's like I am listening to the language of the body. The body is talking to me through sensations. Allow your jaw to be soft. Allow your body to feel supported by the earth. And be aware, what is the emotion or the emotions, maybe one, maybe more than one, that comes to you, that comes to your body, come to your heart, when you listen to passion and creativity. It can be a positive emotion, it can be a negative one. We allow them to be, it can be even both. So just allow the level of emotions to open. And listen to the emotions. Allow them to flow in the body. Continue to listen. So now there is an open invitation for you to go deeper if you want, if you feel like, if you want to stay in that level, it's totally open for you. If you want to go deeper, listen to those emotions and choose one that is the strongest emotion that comes to you now that is more dominant. And be aware, where is it in the body? And then focus your attention there. In the place in the body where the emotion is dominant. Be with it. Listen to it. Listen to the connection between that emotion and those frequencies of passion and creativity. The breathing is here, like the music of the body, supporting you when you go deeper into that emotion. See the connection between this emotion to the ability to be passionate and creative. I will give an example so it will be easy for you. Let's say my emotion is fear that comes. This is the most dominant, and then I'm looking at the connection as a sentence. Something like, I'm afraid to go with my passion. This is like the connection. I'm afraid my creativity will make the people that love me to go away from me, to criticize me. I'm afraid of criticism around my creativity. So we create a sentence that is holding the intelligence that connects the emotion and the topic. It can be the passion or the creativity or both. This is your story, so it's your sentence. One simple sentence with the dominant emotion while breathing to the dominant area in the body that is now asking for your attention. Take a deep breath and let's go deeper. We are listening to that sentence in the body. How can I listen to a sentence? I am repeating the sentence a few times. It can be out loud. Your mic is closed, so no one is hearing you. And it can be in your heart. I'm afraid of that. I'm angry about that. I feel joy to be creative. Whatever my sentence is, I'm repeating it a few times. And every time I finish the sentence, I'm taking a deep breath into the body and then repeating it again 3, 4, 5 times, as much as I want. Pay attention to the body. Maybe the sensations are changing. Be with it. Be with the sensations in the body. Be aware where in the body this sentence is connecting. Where in the body this sentence is resonating. Be there. Listen to it. And then ask your body an inner question. Ask your body. When is this emotion, when is this connection started? The connection between joy and creativity, the connection between fear and passion, whatever you chose, I am asking my body, when did that connection started? What was the event, the occasion, the relationship that taught me that? Allow your subconscious to open and to show you maybe more than one event. Show you something. Be with it. When did I learn that for the first time? Continue to breathe. If you are getting more than one event, more than one picture, allow your subconscious intuitively to choose the most powerful one, or just one that symbolizes the feeling. And then go deeper into that picture, into that event with your body. We are not only watching that event, but we are feeling it again. We are going deeper into the cells of my body, feeling that sensations and emotions from the root of them, from the beginning, and just being there. Allow your subconscious to show you the peak moment of that event, the moment when the feelings and emotions were the strongest. Go to that peak moment and feel it in the body. Connecting to the body in peak moments allow to meet the passion again through what I'm feeling right now. So our big focusing is in the body. Listen to that peak moment and just describe to yourself, be aware. What did I learn from that moment? What did I learn from that event? About me, about life, about passion or creativity. Just listen to that teaching and feel the body. Where is the dominant part now? Be there. Slowly, slowly, we can release the picture and stay just with the teaching or the insight and the level of the body. And just resting in the body as it is now, without trying to change anything. Allow yourself to rest in what there is. And allow yourself to see if there is a relaxed part in the body. Where in the body do I feel relaxed? Look for that part and put your energy there for a few moments. Even if there is contraction in other parts, now we want to relax the nervous system. Slowly, softly, allowing the energy from the soft part to flow in her pace to other parts. Breathing and resting. So stay there for a few more moments. This is your time just to rest and to allow the body to integrate what you went through. In your time, allow yourself to wake up and to write in your notebook just a few insights or just an intimate sharing of what you went through. In your pace, just write intuitively what comes to you. It will allow the integration to happen. Thank you.